Hello everyone, how are you? Today's my lunch is a frozen pack of fried rice with pork and beans. How to cook it? You do not need to cook it. Just heat the pack of frozen fried rice 150 gram in a microwave range for about 3 minutes. Then fill a bowl with fried rice. When you are busy, instant food is very convenient. You can prepare for eating instant food such as fried rice, ramen, yakisoba, and so on in a short time. It takes about 5 minutes to prepare for it. Just cut the corner of this pack. Then put it into rain. Fried rice is completed. Just 3 minutes. And then I make miso soup, instant miso soup. Put miso paste into a bowl. And then pour hot water. That's all for my supper, or lunch, or snack. This is my dessert, yogurt and beans. Itadakimasu. Bon appetit. Enjoy it.